Thank you, very worshipful Bobby Bigote. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon po. Most worshipful Casimiro Gabianya, as well, Master Sir. Most worshipful Santiago Di Gabianza, sa Niyang Master. Very worshipful Felix Berto Sibago, District Deputy Grandmaster R.B. Bulacan East. Very worshipful Aristotle B. Sabilin, Junior Grand Lecturer, Bulacan Central Luzon. And my installing officers, very worshipful Bodo Pilatales, very worshipful J.F. Masi, and very worshipful Dr. Lopez. Worshipful Inspector Geoffrey Tan, good afternoon, sir. Dignitaries in the east, dignitaries on the floor, very worshipful sirs, brethren, families and friends, magandang hapon po sa inyo. As I stand before you today, deeply honored to assume the office of worshipful master. My heart is filled with gratitude, not only for the trust my brethren have placed in me, but for the unwavering support of those who have walked beside me on this work. At the very center of my gratitude is my Ateng Dea Long. Please stand up, Ateng Dea. You have been my greatest source of strength and understanding. Freemasonry has asked much of my time, meetings, services, and evenings away from home. And through it all, you have shown patience and unwavering support. You have carried the burdens that no title or apron can show. I could not serve this lodge without your love and support behind me. You are my foundation, and every honor I receive is truly ours to share. Brethren and guests, let us remember that behind every Mason who stands in service, there are loved ones whose sacrifices are equally worthy of recognition. Tonight, I proudly and sincerely say to my Ateng Lea and my family, Ria, Isabel, Mandy, please stand up. Thank you for your patience, honey. Your understanding and your love. Without you, none of this would be possible. I also would like to thank my siblings, Ate Tina, Ate Anna, and Kuya John. Thank you for always being there for me. You have been my confidant and supporter. Your help and encouragement have carried me through every challenge. Thank you for your patience and support. To my family, Kuya Ramil, Cherry, my pamangkin Dara and Polo, thank you for your love and support. To my mother-in-law, Ma'am Marco, brother-in-laws Jay and Jeff, Gladys, thank you so much. And to my friends, Kai, Gerald, Jason, GJ, thank you brothers, friendship through thick and thin. And to my relatives, Concepcion family, thank you. And I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to my installing officer and the entire installing team. Very worshipful Board of PLC Altares, my installing officer, and my dad in Mason. Please stand up, very worshipful sir. Very worshipful J.F. Masi, our master of ceremonies. Very worshipful Bobby L. Villote, our assistant master of ceremonies. Very worshipful sirs, thank you po. Your dedication, precision, and commitment to our ancient and honorable craft have made this evening truly special. You have carried out your duties with dignity and excellence, and I am deeply grateful for your service. I also would like to add that you have shaped my Masonic journey. You taught me the importance of service and dedication to our Kakaroon Lodge. You taught me that our craft is not only about ritual, but about character. Your friendship, patience, and example have been a guiding star for me since the beginning. Your mentorship has shaped my understanding of what it truly means to be a Mason. So, from the depths of my heart, thank you. I carry your lessons with me today and always, and your light will continue to guide me in the East. To our audiovisual and musical directors, Worshipful Brother Isidro Bayo Jr. and Brother Jude Tresor of M. Thank you for your time, your talent, and your unwavering commitment to making this evening one worthy of remembrance. Thank you po. To Brother Abbas Makadabar, who presented the tribute to the flag, I extend my sincere thanks. Your words have stirred our hearts and renewed our reverence for the freedoms we cherish. Thank you as well for your effort in handling the collection of assessments for today's event. Thank you, sir. To the members who will take part and who took part in the program, very worshipful Bobby Villote, very worshipful Rustico Miranda, very worshipful Dennis Vergara, very worshipful Rolando Heronimo, very worshipful Nathanael Madrid. Thank you for all your assistance. Thank you very much, sir. To the past masters of Kakarong Masonic Lodge number 327, I extend my deepest gratitude. Let me read the name of those who are present today. Very worshipful Pastor Garcia, very worshipful Severino Cruz, very worshipful Nathanael Madrid, worshipful Brother Marvin Panganiban, very worshipful Manuel Shampo, very worshipful Alex Cariaga, very worshipful Sagani de Balta, very worshipful Roger Encarnacion, very worshipful Jay Dumasi, very worshipful Rebel Enriquez, probably here in spirit. Very worshipful Marlon Mancilia, very worshipful Montrofil Altares, worshipful Brother Carlo Inucci, very worshipful Bobby Biliote, very worshipful Rolando Heronimo, worshipful Brother Isidro Bayo Jr., and worshipful Master or worshipful Brother Roberto Miguel. Each of you has been a guide, a mentor, and an inspiration on my Masonic journey. Through your leadership, you taught me the true meaning of service, how to lead with humility, how to listen with an open heart, and how to labor with dedication and integrity. You have showed me that the Master's chair is not a seat of power, but a station of responsibility and service to the brethren. So to all the past masters of Kakarong Masonic Lodge number 327, thank you. Know that the light you have passed on will continue to shine brightly in my heart and in this lodge. To our District Deputy Grand Master, Very Worshipful Felixberto C. Barnett, and his district officers, I offer my heartfelt thanks. Your presence here speaks volumes of your dedication to the brethren and your support for our lodge. To our two past Grand Masters, Most Worshipful Santiago T. Bionza and Most Worshipful Pacifico Bianyag, your presence here, Most Worshipful Sirs, is an honor and a blessing. Your commitment to this fraternity, your leadership, and your tireless dedication to the craft inspire us all. Your time is valuable, and the fact that you have chosen to share it with us speaks to your love for Freemasonry and for your brethren. For that, we are deeply grateful, Most Worshipful Sirs. To my elected and appointed officers, please stand up. Senior Warden Bobby Galicia, Junior Warden Paul Edward Shapno, Brother Abbas Makadata, Very Worshipful Boto Villaltares, Very Worshipful Bobby Biliote, Worshipful Brother Ferdinand Lopez, Very Worshipful Rustico Miranda, Brother Melvin Masin, Brother Leonardo Oliveira, Brother Wilson Ligaspi, Very Worshipful Jay Gumasi, Worshipful Brother Marvin Panganiban, Brother Jude Tresor, Brother Rafael Madrid, Brother Elmer Vintividad, Brother Floranto Feliciano, Worshipful Brother Isidro Bayo Jr., and Worshipful Brother Carlo Inucci, thank you for accepting the responsibilities entrusted to you. Your willingness to serve is a reflection of your dedication to this lodge and to the principles we hold sacred: brotherly love, relief, and truth. Each of you plays an essential role in the success and harmony of our work, and I am deeply honored to have you by my side. I know that the title you now hold are more than mere positions. They are commitments. Commitments to uphold our traditions, support our brethren, and serve this lodge with integrity and passion. I have every confidence that together we will labor in unity and make this a year of growth, fellowship, and accomplishment. Freemasonry teaches us that the strength of a lodge lies not in one man, but in the collective efforts of men. I am grateful that I do not walk this path alone, but with a team of brothers whose dedication will help us carry the light of our craft forward. So to each of you, I say thank you. Thank you for your service, your support, and your faith in our shared vision. Let us work together in harmony. One kakarong, with our eyes fixed on the plumb line of virtue and our hands steady on the tools of our labor. May the great architect of the universe bless us and guide us in all our endeavors. And thank you, everyone. Maraming salamat po.